Daytona Beach International Airport, 8 is Whiskey, 1153, Zulu observation, wind 310 at 4, visibility 10. Q clouds 4,600, 6,000 scattered. Metro 17, dew point 16, altimeter 3013. Cumulonimbus distant northeast. Visual approach runway 25 right in use, landing and departing 25 right and 25 left. Aircraft assigned runway 25 left, tower frequency 118.1. First airman, runway 1634 closed. All departures contact clearance delivery 119.3 prior to taxi. Advise on initial contact that you have this information, Whiskey.
Daytona clearance, Skyhawk 942 Foxtrot Alpha, looking for VFR to the south practice area with information, Whiskey.
Sky 942 Foxtrot Alpha, Daytona clearance, maintain VFR to below 3000, departure frequency 125.35, squawk 0110.
VFR at or below 3000, departure frequency 125.35, squawk 0110. 942 Foxtrot Alpha.
Number 942 Foxtrot Alpha, read back correct.
25 right, November 10, taxi via November.
All right, clear right, clear left.
0625 right, November 10, taxi via November.
Taxi via 2.
25 left, Tango 2, taxi via Tango 2, 86 Vector.
Fuel pump test we've already done. Mixture is full rich. Trim is set for takeoff. We are set for takeoff. Fuel selector is both. Here it's 1800. Switch to the left mag. Drop of 100, that's good. Back to both. 1800, go to the right mags. Drop of 100. That's good. Alright, let's check our idle. Idle's good. Run up checklist complete. Daytona ground, Skyhawk 942 Foxtrot Alpha at the southeast ramp, ready for taxi.
942 Foxtrot Alpha, Daytona ground, runway 25 left at Tango 2. Taxi via Tango 2.
25 left at Tango 2, taxi via Tango 2, 942 Foxtrot Alpha.
Daytona ground, radar 3091.
Pre-takeoff seatbelts on.
Little 496, make left close
Fuel
traffic,
selector
25 left,
is
clear for takeoff, no delay.
Trim is set for takeoff. Takeoff
25
clearance.
left, clear for takeoff, no delay.
We're going to get takeoff lights
Little
on.
460, short approach approved, 25 left, number 1, clear to land only.
Strobes are on. Mixture is full rich. Flaps are up.
Little 874, 25 left, short approach approved, clear to land only, number 2.
All right. Daytona Tower, Skyhawk 942, Foxtrot Alpha, holding short, 25 left at Tango 2.
Sky 2 Fox Alpha, Daytona, roger. Number 942 Foxtrot Alpha, 25 left, Tango 2, line up and wait.
F 942 Foxtrot Alpha, 25 left, line up and wait.
Tower relay 34 going around. Roger. And 42 Foxtrot Alpha, fly runway heading 25 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading 25 left, 942 Foxtrot Alpha, clear for takeoff.
Archer 507 Golf, runway 25 left, number 1, cleared option.
Airspeed is alive.
25 left, clear for option, 07 Golf.
Dancing, we're at 50, 55, rotate. We are up. Welcome to the sky.
Little 496, 25 left, number 2, cleared option.
Little 496, 25 left, number 2, cleared option. Tower, Riddle 412 at Sierra for 25 left, ready for departure.
Little 412, Daytona, roger.
Daytona Tower, Archer 507 Golf is going around.
Archer 507 Golf, roger, make left close traffic.
Make left traffic, 07 Golf.
Little 412, 25 left, fly runway heading clear for takeoff, no delay.
Runway heading, clear for takeoff, no delay, Riddle 412.
Daytona Tower, Riddle 481, holding short 25 left at Sierra, ready for close traffic.
41, roger.
Daytona Tower to 460, holding short 25 left Sierra, and in the pattern we're going to be doing normal landings. If you need us to do full stops, we can.
Little 460,
460, thank you. I probably can't do any more short approaches either.
Sounds good, Route 460.
November 942 Foxtrot Alpha, turn left heading 210, contact departure.
Turn left heading 210, contact departure, 942 Foxtrot Alpha. Daytona departure, Skyhawk 942 Foxtrot Alpha, with you at 1,500 to 2,000.
942 Foxtrot Alpha, Daytona departure, right in. Another 42 Foxtrot Alpha, radar contact. A Hotel Lima, contact approach on 118.85.
118.85, 8 Hotel Lima, good day.
Remember 942 Foxtrot Alpha, squawk VFR, frequency approved.
942 Foxtrot Alpha, frequency change approved. Have a good day.
Archer 27 Golf, extend your downwind, look for traffic that's on about a 2.5 mile final to 25 that's going to circle the 29.
Extending downwind, and we'll keep an eye out for that traffic, 27 Golf.
Tropical 599er has that river traffic in sight.
Hey, Red 599er, roger. And looks like it's spacing's going to be good. You can circle at your discretion. Runway 29er, you're clear to land.
Circle at your discretion, clear to land, runway 29er, Tropical 599er.
It's Smyrna Tower, Archer 927 Golf has traffic on final in sight.
Archer 27 on about pattern work.
Roger, Skyhawk 942 Foxtrot Alpha, I'm just east of Dunn, northbound. I was wondering if your pattern's full?
Right now my pattern's full. Give me a call back in about 10 minutes.
Roger that.
Daytona Beach, Rochelle, information X-ray 1253 Zulu observation, 1 calm, visibility 10, few clouds 4,600, few clouds 6,000. Temperature 20, dew point 18, altimeter 3015. Visual approach runway 25 right east, landing power runway 25 right, runway 25 left.
Daytona approach, Skyhawk 942 Foxtrot Alpha, about 3 miles southeast of the New Smyrna Beach Airport, inbound full stop.
November 942 Foxtrot Alpha, Daytona approach, squawk 0170, say altitude and advise X-ray.
Squawk 0107, we do have X-ray.
So check the code, please, 0170, November 2 Foxtrot Alpha.
0170, 942 Foxtrot Alpha.
Riddle 820, would you like to terminate?
Yes, we would.
Riddle 820, radar switch terminate, squawk. November 2 Foxtrot Alpha, radar contact 3 miles southeast of the New Smyrna Beach Airport. Say again, altitude.
Altitude 2,000.
November 2 Foxtrot Alpha, roger, turn left heading 280, vectors runway 25 left, maintain 2000.
Maintain 2,000, expect runway 25 left. What was that heading again?
Heading 280 for November 2 Foxtrot Alpha.
280, 942 Foxtrot Alpha, thank you.
Riddle 471, additional traffic 10 o'clock, 3 miles southbound, altitude indicates 3,400.
Riddle 471, traffic in sight.
You have them both, Riddle 471?
Riddle 471, I just got one. Looks like he's coming.
Number 2 Foxtrot Alpha, turn right heading 340 into the midfield left, downwind runway 25 left.
Turn right heading 340, midfield downwind left, 425 left, 942 Foxtrot Alpha.
November 2 Foxtrot Alpha, maintain 1,500 until advised by the tower.
Maintain 1,500, 942 Foxtrot Alpha.
November 2 Foxtrot Alpha, contact tower 118.1, good day.
Contact tower 118.1, 942 Foxtrot Alpha, have a good day. Daytona Tower, Skyhawk 942, Foxtrot Alpha, with you at 1,500.
Daytona Tower, roger, continue. Skyhawk 2, Foxtrot Alpha, proceed direct to the left base, descent approved.
Proceed direct to left base, descent approved, 942 Foxtrot Alpha.
Skyhawk 2, Foxtrot Alpha, runway 25 left, clear to land. Where are you parking?
Southeast ramp.
Roger.
942 Foxtrot Alpha, clear to land. 5 left.
Parker 07 Golf, cross 1 assume special.
Turn cross one now, Daytona Golf.
Roll 416, maintain 1,500.
Maintain 1,500, 416.
Runway 74, following company Scout, heading to right, bit of a wide downwind, report site.
Turtle 874, looking for traffic. Daytona Tower 496, holding short 25 left interior, departure.
Runway 74, traffic starting the base right now.
874, yeah, clear traffic, please.
874, follow that traffic, number 3, 125 left, clear for the option.
Roger that, relay 74, number 3, follow traffic, clear for the option, 25 left.
496, Daytona Tower Road. Archer 07 Golf, traffic straight ahead of you on the downwind, Skyhawk reporting site.
Traffic inside 07 Golf.
07 Golf, follow that traffic, number 4, runway 25 left, clear for the option.
Following traffic number 4, 25 left, clear for the option, 07 Golf.
Orbital 416, descent approved.
Orbital 416, descent approved. Tower 461, 1500, row 25.
461 Daytona Tower, continue.
461, continue, row 25.
Orbital 416, traffic midfield, downwind, and Archer reporting site.
Speed's a little high.
Orbital 416, looking for traffic.
Yeah, we're down 70.
Orbital 416, traffic is fine.
All right, here we go.
416, follow that traffic, runway 25 left, clear to land.
Follow the traffic, runway 25 left.
That was a little bumpy.
Orbital 416.
I got there.
Tower 461, is the pattern open?
Pattern's full.
Roger.
Number 942 Foxtrot Alpha, contact ground point under. Have a good day.
Contact ground, 942 Foxtrot Alpha. Daytona ground, Skyhawk 942 Foxtrot Alpha, off 25 left at Whiskey, to the southeast ramp.
942 Foxtrot Alpha, Daytona ground taxi via Whiskey 1 Echo 1 cross 16.
Whiskey 1 Echo 1 cross 16 at Whiskey 1. 942 Foxtrot.
Say ground.
Operations 8 Charlie 3, reposition Romeo 1, please.
Offset proceed via November cross 16.
November cross 16, operations 8.
Clear right, clear left, cross 16.
Daytona ground, East 806, off.
Yeah, America office, Skyhawk 942 Foxtrot Alpha. I've got about 10 gallons left each tank. Where would you like me to put this?
Okay, park next to the A2 tank, please, and somebody should be on the way out.
Park next to the tank. We'll be looking for somebody. 942 Foxtrot Alpha.